Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make Ghana Angwamo, also known as oil rice or braised rice. This is very simple Ghanaian meal, but when it's prepared well, the taste is absolutely amazing. I'll be taking you through my own method step by step, from building the flavor with oil and beef all the way to serving with eggs, sausage and fresh pepper. So relax, watch carefully, and let's get into the cooking. I start by placing my cooking pot on medium heat. I add some H&H cooking oil into the pot and allow it to heat up slightly. Once the oil is warm, I add some salted beef. At this stage, I allow the beef to fry slowly in the oil. This step is very important because the beef releases its flavor into the oil, and that oil is what will flavor the rice. I stir occasionally and allow the beef to fry until it becomes nicely brown and aromatic. Next, I add H&H spaghetti, and immediately after that, I add some chopped onions. I stir everything together very well and allow it to fry. I fry until the onions become soft and slightly golden. This is where the base flavor of Anguamo is built, so I take my time here very well. Now I go in with some H&H sardines. I add them gently and stir carefully so they don't break too much. I allow everything to fry together for a few minutes. This helps the sardines blend well with the oil and onions, giving the rice a very nice and rich taste. After that, I'll go in with my H&H Jasmine rice directly into the pot. And so I didn't wash the rice, so kindly feel free to wash it if you want to, okay? Alright, so at this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much. After adding in the rice, I'll go in with water, just enough to cook the rice. I add salt to taste, stir everything together and cover the pot. I allow the rice to cook on medium heat so it absorbs the flavors. And to my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you all. While the rice is cooking, I prepare my pepper sauce. So I add some fresh pepper, onions and fresh tomatoes into my asanka or apatoyowa. I blend everything until smooth. You can also use blender for this, but trust me, the asanka works perfectly fine, and that will give you the natural taste or flavor you want, so you don't need to use blender. But in case you don't have the asanka, feel free to use the blender. Now I'll go in with the fresh tomatoes. I'll grind everything together very nicely until all is nice and well combined. Don't forget to add some salt to taste or any other thing that you want to add to it. This fresh pepper sauce will be served with the Anguamo to add heat and freshness, and trust me, that is the secret to tasty Anguamo. You can also use green pepper sauce or green chili sauce for this and you are good to go. Now I come back to check on the rice. As you can see, the rice is cooking very well and looks rich and very colorful. I give it a gentle stir to make sure it's not burning at the bottom. I cover it again and allow it to steam until the rice is soft and fluffy. As you can see, with H&H rice, you can never go wrong with Anguamo. You will love the texture and the taste. Once it's ready, I'll turn off the heat and allow it to rest for a minute. Next, I heat up a small pan with a little oil. I fry some sausage first and later I'll go in with some eggs. And you can also feel free to use any protein of your choice and you are good to go. You can use fish, chicken, beef, sausage as you can see, or any protein at all, and that will be fine. Now let's fry the sausage until everything turns into the perfect golden brown or crispness that I'm looking for. And as you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect. So we're going to set it aside and then proceed to fry our eggs. You know, sausage doesn't take a longer time to fry, so approximately 2 minutes to 3 minutes should be okay. Now let's go ahead and go in with our eggs. So basically this is eggs, tomatoes, onions and dandelion. Kindly feel free to add in any vegetable of your choice. You can just keep it simple by just cracking in eggs and also adding in some onions with just a pinch of salt and you are good to go. After frying, all that is left is for us to serve and enjoy. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. As always, subscribing is free, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. As you can see, our eggs looks very yummy and very inviting. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian local Anguamo recipe. This dish is one of my favorites. It can be eaten in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening, and trust me, everybody will love it as well. So do trust the process and also do try it and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. I dish out the hot Anguamo onto an asanka. I add my fried eggs, a little sardines, and also sausage on the side. Then I serve it together with some pepper, dandelions, and onions. So you can also garnish it with any other thing of your choice. Now look at how simple, filling, and very delicious this Anguamo turn out. And that's how I make my Ghanaian Anguamo. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in my next upload. Bye.